How are you, my friends? This is Train Your Mind Part 4. Let's make the numbers 7 and 8 using only 3 threes. You can practice yourself, please, if you like. These are the things allowed. You can use any kind of brackets. You can use mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You can use square root, absolute value, logarithmic properties. You can use percentage. It's like 6%, 6 over 100, divide by 2, it will be 3 over 50, something like that. You can use any powers factorial, just to remind you, n factorial will be n times n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. Like 4 factorial will be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1, 0 factorial is 1 by definition. So let's start directly with 7. I put here 4 ways of writing 7. 7, I can write 3 factorial plus 3 over 3. Now 3 over 3 is 1, and 3 factorial, I put it here in the explanations. 3 factorial will be 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So 6 plus 1, that's 7. Now, method number 2 will be 7 equal 3 factorial plus 3 minus 3 factorial. 3 minus 3 will be 0 factorial, which is 1, and 3 factorial we have seen is 6. So 6 plus 1. Also, this one is simple. 3 factorial, that's 6, plus log base 3 of 3, which is 1 by definition of logarithm. So this is 6 plus 1 is 7. This is a little harder. Another way we can write 7 is 10 minus 3. Now leave this minus 3, that's 1 3 there. I will explain now the square root of 3 divided by 3%. Look here on the right side. 3, I can leave it. 3% means 3 over 100. Now there is a division inside here, 3 over 1 times the reciprocal here, 100 divided by 3. We can cancel the 3. Square root of 100 is 10. So all this square root, 3 divided by 3% will be 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. That's a little hard. Let's see number 8. Number 8, I can write number 8 as 3 factorial, which is 6, we have seen that, plus 3 factorial, which is 6 divided by 3, 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. That's method number 1. Let's see method number 2. 3 factorial is 6. See, 3 factorial is 6. Divided by 3 will be 2. And then you put cube, because we need 3 threes. So this is 3, 3, 3. This is also 3, 3, 3. 2 more ways on the next slide for number 8. Number 3 will be 3 factorial, which is 6, plus log base square root of 3 of 3. So the argument here, we call it 3, and the base square root of 3, which is 2. I will explain it on the next slide, why this is 2. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Also, I can take the same expression here after the plus, log base 3 of 3. This is all 2. And then I put 3 on the power. So 2 cubed is 8. So that's another way, number 4, method number 4. We can write 8 as log base square root of 3 of 3 all cubed. Now on the next slide, I will explain why this is 2. So while we have log base square root of 3 of 3 is equal to 2, suppose we don't know the answer, so we say let log base square root of 3 of 3 is equal to n. It's a number here, okay? Let's call it n. Now from pre-calculus course, lecture number 5, we have a rule, we call it logarithmic exponential rule. If we have y equals log base a of x, we can go and change it, convert it to exponential. X here is the argument, equals the base a to the power y. So we can write x equals a to the power y. Now, n here, see, n is the y, right? So n will be log base square root of 3 of 3 equals 3 is the x. Base is square root of 3 to the power n. Now, square root of 3 is 3 to the power half. So we multiply the powers. So we get on the left side 3 power 1, on the right side 3 to the power n over 2. Here we have the same base 3, so 1 equals n over 2. Cross multiply, n is equal to 2, which is the same expression, log base square root of 3 of 3 is equal to 2. Now this is the logarithmic exponential rule. Just I put it here as a reference. This is from lecture number 5. If you have any logarithmic form here, you can convert it to exponential. So if you have y equals log base a of x, directly you can write x equals a to the power y. Also, if you have x equals a to the power y, you can go directly and write it in logarithmic form, y equals log base a of x. This is a simple example here. 5 equals log base 2 of 32. So we can write it directly. 32 is equal to 2 to the power 5, which is correct. Multiply 2 5 times, you will get 32. Now this is a practice question. Please try to make the numbers 9 and 10. In this video, we have made numbers 7 and 8. So try to make numbers 9 and 10 using only 3 threes. Now the answers will be provided in the next video, part 5 of Train Your Mind. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. I hope I will see you in another video with another topic. Thank you guys for listening.